Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, this is going to be a Skin Care Diaries video. So if you guys don't know, my Skin Care Diaries videos are me basically talking about skincare, and this month I am going to be talking about lips. So if you guys want to know about skincare for your lips, then definitely keep on watching. So I know it's pretty much almost halfway through the month, and I should have definitely had this video up earlier for you guys, but of course if things happen, but we are now here with this video, or I am here with this video. I purposely didn't exfoliate my lips for the whole week just for this video so you guys can see like a before and after type of situation on my lips. So before we get into that and the products that I'll be using today, let's talk about the lips and how the lips get so dry so quickly. So unlike the rest of your skin, your lips actually do not have any sebaceous glands. And what sebaceous glands do is basically they help the body stay moisturized. And of course, since your lips do not have these glands, then your lips are more prone to drying out. Also, on top of that, the lips have very, very little melanin in them, so they are also prone to drying out from sun damage as well. So definitely making sure that you protect your lips as much as possible is definitely key. Also, with the drying out of lips, could be factors of environmental factors such as how humid the air is, and also what kind of climate that you live in, which kind of environment that you expose your lips to, and also it could be internal as well. Having super chapped dry lips could be potentially a vitamin deficiency and things of that nature, but of course to get the end all be all results of that type of thing, then it's definitely good to consult your doctor, of course. Alright guys, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit closer so you can get a better look at how I am taking care of my lips at the moment. So because recently I've been experiencing really dry and chapped lips, what I've been doing is I make sure I'm exfoliating at least like once or twice a week my lips and making sure they stay moisturized. So let's start off with the exfoliation process and what I use to exfoliate my lips. So what I'm using right now is this guy right here. So this is the Fizz and Bubble Lip Scrub. It is a sugar lip scrub, and this is the watermelon flavor if you're into lip scrubs that have like flavors and things like that. But I find this really good and really gentle, not too abrasive on the lips. Again, you don't want a lip scrub that's going to be too abrasive on the lips because again, you don't want to end up over exfoliating, causing like tearing and bleeding and things like that. So what I like to do is I do either two things. I either use my fingers and wet my lips first just to kind of give it a little bit of a slip, or I take my little wash pad right here and do the same thing. And then from there, what I like to do is I like to take a little bit of the scrub and I like to put it directly on the wash pad that I have right here. And you can get these anywhere. I got this from my local Walmart. And then all I do from there is just literally push my lips together like this and keep them together, and then circular motions. Alright, and the good thing about sugar lip scrubs is that once you're done exfoliating your lips, all you have to do is literally just kind of lick all of the sugar off. And if it's an edible sugar scrub, then of course you can just, you know, lick it and without any worries. And then of course you can also just spit everything out or wipe everything off with a damp cloth. Now that my lips are now exfoliated and ready for moisture, what I like to do is I like to dip back into the water and just put a little bit more water on my lips, because again, with moisturization, water is key. To seal in that moisture, I like to use this guy right here. So this is like an amazing lip balm. This is the Burt's Bees Hydrating Lip Balm. This is the passion fruit one. I believe there's another kind as well. I'm not completely sure on that, but this is the kind that I have and I'm absolutely obsessed with this. So this has a lot of different ingredients in it. There's a lot of humectants in it. There's shea butter, there's glycerin, there's a lot of different oils in there to keep your lips moisturized, and also it adds a little bit of shine to your lips as well as, like I said, keeps things moisturized without being sticky, and that is the key for me. Having a lip balm or a lip just product not be sticky is like the best thing in the world to me. So that is why I love this. Simple and easy. You squeeze it out of the tube there, and I just apply it on my lips. Alright guys, so that is it. So that is how I've been taking care of my lips lately, keeping them nice, moisturized, and smooth. Also, another tip for you guys, earlier when I was talking about the lips having very little melanin in them, it's also good to wear a lip balm that has a little bit of SPF in it to help protect your lips against those UVB and UVB rays. But I know lip balms like that do cost a pretty penny, but if you can definitely get your hands on one of those, that is definitely a pretty good option as well. If you can get your hands on any of these products, I would definitely say pick them up. You can get the Fizz and Bubble. I got this from my Ulta. And then of course Burt's Bees, you can pick it up pretty much anywhere, Walmart, drugstore. You can pick up Burt's Bees at Ulta. This is amazing. Like I said, especially if you do not like a lip balm that's going to be, or a lip oil lip balm, any lip product that's not going to give you any type of stickiness, because again, stickiness is like a no-no for me. So definitely pick these guys up. I'll leave links down below so that you guys can get those a little bit easier, or find them a little bit easier. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow all my social media pages. I'll leave all that information down below. But yeah guys, I will catch you guys later in my next video.